Is given AB is equal to 70, BC is equal to 80, CA is equal to 90. So here we have to find out the value of A plus B plus C. Here three equation is given and we have to find out the value of this one. How we can find out the value of A plus B plus C in this equation? Let's see solution. So we can consider this one. AB is equal to 70, first equation first. Next one is given BC is equal to 80. This is equation number 2. CA is equal to 90. This is equation number 3. Now we have here three equations and we have to find out the value of A plus B plus C, right? So we can multiply equation 1, 2 and 3 here. Multiply equation 1, 2 and 3. Then we will get here AB times BC times CA is equal to 70 times 80 times 90. 70 times 80 times 90. Now AB times BC times CA. So we can say A times A, it will become A square, B times B, it will become B square, and C times C, it will become C square. So here A square, B square, C square is equal to, when we are multiplying this one, this number we will get here 54,000. Value of this one, when we are multiplying this one, we will get this number here, this one 0, and you can multiply 7 times 8 times 9. Now this is the form of A square, B square, C square. So we can take ABC whole square is equal to 504,000. Now we have to remove this square, so we can take a square on both sides. Taking square root on both sides, we will get here ABC whole square and here square root is equal to square root of 54,000. Now here square is cancelled from square root. So ABC is equal to square root of 54,000. Now we have to find out the this one factor of this number. So we are taking here this number 504,000, and now we are taking factor of this number. So 2 2s are 4, and here it will become 25,2,000. Now again 2, so 2 1s are 2, and here it will become 2 2s are 4, 6,000. Now 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6,000. Now here 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and it will become here 2 5s are 10, so it will become 500. Now here 2, so it will become 15 2s are 30, right, and 750. Again here 2 2s are 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, and here 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Now this number is not divisible by 2, so we can here take 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, and here 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Again we are taking here 3, so it will become a 3 8s are 24, 7 5, right. Now 875, this number will divisible by 5, so we are taking here 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, and here it will become 5 5 are 25. Again from 5, so 5 3s are 15, 16 17, and it will become here 35, 5 5s are 35. So here 35 times 35, that is 1. So this is the factor of this number. Now we have to make pairs, so it will become here 1 2 3, here 1, here 1, right? Now we can say ABC is equal to square root of, now 2 square, we can write this one 2 square times 2 square times 2 square, right? 3 pair of 2 times 3 square times 5 square times 35 here. Last one is 35. Now we can add this number. So here ABC is equal to square root of, now 2 power 2, 2 power 2, 2 power 2. Power is same and this will same. So we know one formula, that is if a power b and a power c is given, so we can write a power b plus c. So using that formula we can write here 2 power 2 plus 2 plus 2 times 3 square times 5 square times 35. Now ABC is equal to square root of 2 power 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will become here 2 power 6 times 3 square times 5 square times 35. Therefore we can say here ABC is equal to square root of, now here 2 power 6 and this number is in square form, this number is in square form. So we can say if we are converting this in a square number, so we can write here 2 power 3 power 2, 3 2s are 6 times 3 square times 5 square times 35. ABC is equal to square root of 2 power 3 is 8, 8 square times 3 square times 5 square times 25. Sorry, 35. It will become here 35. So here ABC is equal to square root of, now this is this number in a square form, so we can take here 8 times 3 times 5 times whole square times 35, right? Now is equal to, we can say here 5 3s are 15, it's a 120, so it will become here 120 square times 35. When we are separating this term, so we will get here 120 whole square times square root of 35. Now here square is cancelled from square root, is equal to 120 times square root of 35. So we can say this is the value of ABC here. We got the value of ABC, but we have to find out the separate value of A, B and C, right? So this will help to find out the value of separate value of A, B and C. So we know the equation given, that is equation number 1, AB is equal to 70. You can consider this is equation number 4. So according to given equation, AB is equal to 70. We already saw this equation. Now we got the value of ABC. So here ABC is equal to 120 square root of 35, right? Now we can substitute this value in this equation, right? So AB, value of AB is 70. AB is 70. So we can write 70C is equal to 120 square root of 35. Therefore we can say value of C is equal to, so we can divide both side by C. 70C divided by 70 is equal to 120 square root of 35 divided by 70. Now this 70 is cancelled from this 70, therefore we can say C is equal to, now here 0 is divided by 0, so we will get here 12 square root of 35 divided by 7. So this is the value of C. We got the value of C. Now we have to find out the value of A and B. Now here from equation 2, BC is equal to 80. This is given. And we already got the value of ABC is equal to 120 square root of 35 according to equation 4. Now here we have to substitute this value. BC is equal to 80. So we can write 80A, right? Value of BC is 80 and here A. 80A is equal to 120 square root of 35. Now we can divide both sides by 80. We are dividing here by 80. So this 80 is cancelled from this 80. Here a is equal to, now 0 is cancelled from 0, and it will become here 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 square root of 35. So this is the value of a. 3 by 2 square root of 35. Now we have to find out the value of b. So we can say last equation, that is CA. CA is equal to 90 from equation 3, and ABC is equal to 120 square root of 35. Now here CA, value of CA is 90. So we can write this one 90B. 90B is equal to 120 square root of 35. Now we can divide both sides by 90. 90 we are dividing here by 90. So this 90 is cancelled from here. So B is equal to, now 0 is divided from 0, and we can say here 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. So 4 square root of 35 divided by 3. This is the value of B. So in this way we got the value of A, B and C. Value of A, B and C. So we can say we have to find out the value of A plus B plus C. This is actual question. So we can say therefore A plus B plus C is equal to, value of A is 3 square root of 35. This is value of C. So we can say 3 square root of 35 divided by 2 plus 4 square root of 35 divided by 3 plus 12 square root of 3 divided by 7 35 divided by 7. Right, now we have to take LCM here. So we are taking LCM. So we will get here is equal to 7 3 is 21, 2 is 42, 42. So it will become a 2. It will become here 21. 21 times 3 square root of 35 plus here we can say it will become here 14 3 is 42. So it will become here 14 times 4 square root of 35 plus here it will become 12. 12 times square root 12 times 6 square root of 35. Now is equal to, when we are multiplying this one, 21 3 is 63 square root of 35 plus 14 4 is 56 square root of 35 plus 12 6 is 72 square root of 35 divided by 42. Therefore we can say this is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is equal to, now square root of 35 square root of 35 square root of 35. So we can take common square root of 35. Under bracket 63 plus 56 plus 72 divided by 42. Therefore A plus B plus C is equal to square root of 35 into, we can say here when we are adding this one, 6 plus 2 8 plus 3 9, 11, 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11 1, and here it will become 7 plus 5 plus 6, it will become 19. 191 divided by 42. So therefore we can say value of A plus B plus C is equal to 191 square root of 35 divided by 42. This is the solution for this equation. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. Thank you for watching.